Hi guys, this is the channel where you can find tons of different recipes that are so useful for natural skincare, and every week there is a new video I'm uploading, so make sure you do subscribe and say hello in the comments. Today I would love to present you a great mask that we're making with vitamin C. That is the brightening mask. This is the mask that would help you to lighten and exfoliate your skin and would even help to encourage collagen production. So how cool is that? For this mask, we are going to use a vitamin C powder. This is the brand I normally use for taking vitamin C internally. So if you don't have any on hand, you could use either vitamin C tablets crushed into a powder or capsules, right? You could use that instead, although I do recommend the powder because it's like a better choice in this case. For the recipe, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of natural vitamin C powder. We're going to put it and mix everything in the glass bowl. And we shall also need another teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I would even recommend you to use the fresh one. So I happen to have a beautiful aloe vera plant at home, so I frequently use its great benefits, gel, right, for different recipes. But in case you don't, that's okay. You could use any other aloe vera gel if you have it on hand, but just make sure you always buy a natural brand that doesn't contain any nasty additives. Or if you don't happen to have aloe vera gel, you could still use raw honey with great results. So this is my aloe vera gel here, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. It's very, very thick. The plant aloe vera doesn't really look pretty after I've got it, but that's okay, at least we had the job done. And also, I would say that at this point we would need to try to mix everything, but I do recommend you to have great additions as the essential oils. You could choose various essential oils, but I love using carrot seed essential oil. And I'm also going to use alum essential oil. This is one of my favorites in terms of skincare. It's great for acne-prone skin too. And we won't really need a lot. We'll just need 1 or 2 drops of the essential oil. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 drop of alum and 1 drop of carrot seed essential oil. It's revitalizing and toning. It's really good for anti-aging properties. It will help to remove the toxins and even water buildup in the skin. So all we have to do now is just give everything a mix. As you can see, the consistency will become more like, gel, because we're using gel actually, but that's absolutely normal. This is the preferable consistency for us because we need this mask to kind of like stay in place, right, on our face. If you feel like the consistency is too thick, I would recommend you to add some water, but don't go crazy. Just maybe by the drop, a little bit of distilled water until you reach the desired consistency. Let me show you really close how it looks. It's perfect. It will be amazing on your skin. It won't drip. So the way you're going to use it, you need to apply it in an even layer all over your face. Just make sure you avoid the under eye area. And I would recommend you to use the brush. Here I have a small brush that I'm using. That could be any brush. And then you leave it on for up to 15 minutes and rinse with warm water, wipe away with some warm cloth, and then you might experience some redness for up to even an hour afterwards, but this is normal. But of course, depending on your skin type, you should pay attention, because if you have recently exfoliated your skin, popped a blemish, or you have had any skin treatment in the last few days, I would say this mask, you should wait and not use it for a couple of days. Also, if you do know that you have very sensitive skin, I would say try to decrease the amount of vitamin C. Start with real small amount, maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon, and then work it up to a teaspoon and see how your skin responds, because everyone's skin is different. So, but trust me, after this mask, your skin will feel really smooth, and don't forget to wear a good sunscreen during the day, otherwise, your results will disappear. And among some other great benefits of this mask, it will help you to reduce the redness, brighten the skin tone, tighten pores, feed the skin, I would say, with good nutrients, also lighten hyperpigmentation and tighten the pores and smooth the complexion. So guys, I really hope you like this video. You can use this mask for up to 2 times per week, and I hope you will really fall in love with with it. So if you like this video, guys, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy and healthy, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video.